Most of the stress we carry doesn't start in the body, but that's exactly where it ends up, in your shoulders, your jaw, your back, your gut. Even when the moment has passed, your body holds on. Hi, I'm Cole, and if you're here, you've probably felt it too. That tension that doesn't go away just because the day is over. The way your body stays tight even when you want to feel calm. Here's the truth. You can't think your way out of stress. You have to move it, but that doesn't mean pushing yourself harder. It means moving in a way that your nervous system can actually handle, slowly, gently, consistently. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple exercises to help release stored tension from your body. No equipment, no complicated routines, just real grounded movements that help you feel safer, softer, and more in control again. You don't have to do all of them. And you don't have to be perfect. Just start where you are and give your body the chance to let go. Let's begin. 5 gentle exercises. 1. The grounding breath stretch. Start standing tall, then raise your arms slowly overhead as you take a long breath in. As you exhale, gently fold forward, letting your arms hang toward the floor, knees soft. Let your head drop. Let gravity do the work. Breathe here, in through the nose, out through the mouth. This isn't about touching your toes, it's about surrendering tension into the ground. Your nervous system interprets this forward fold as a signal to downshift, to come out of that fight or flight state. After a few breaths, slowly roll up, one vertebra at a time. You've just told your body, we're safe now. 2. Shoulder circle reset. Stress loves to live in the shoulders, so let's invite it to leave. Sit or stand comfortably. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears and then slowly roll them back and down. Circle a few times, then switch directions. As you do this, stay connected to your breath. With each exhale, imagine releasing the invisible load you've been carrying. This is more than a stretch. It's a message to your body. You don't have to carry everything. 3. Wall press for emotional release. Find a wall. Stand a few inches away from it. Place your palms on the wall, arms extended, and begin to press gently. Engage your whole body, legs grounded, core softly active. Breathe into the pressure. Let your breath get longer, deeper. This simple act of pressing can feel strangely powerful. It creates resistance that helps the body discharge pent-up energy, the kind that lingers after arguments, after frustration, after overwhelm. Hold for 10-20 seconds, then step back. Notice how you feel. Strong, present, clear. 4. The spinal wave. This one's subtle, but transformative. Stand or kneel comfortably. Begin a slow undulation of your spine. Tailbone tucks under, belly draws in, chest rounds. Then slowly reverse. Tailbone lifts, belly softens, chest expands forward. It's like a wave. Gentle, fluid, natural. Your spine houses your central nervous system. This movement helps unwind stored tension, especially from long hours of sitting or being on alert. It's also meditative. The rhythm invites the body to trust and flow again. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. Keep it small. Keep it soft. 5. Legs up the wall or on a chair. This final exercise is a reset for your entire nervous system. Lie down on your back and place your legs up the wall, or rest them on a chair. Arms relaxed at your sides, eyes closed. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes. This position increases circulation, drains stagnant fluid, and tells your body it's time to rest. It may look simple, but it's deeply restorative. As you lie here, imagine your stress slowly draining downward, out of your body, into the earth. This is not just recovery. It's reconnection. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need a few moments of your own presence and then a willingness to listen to your body. Each of these exercises may seem simple, but that's the point. Sometimes, the gentlest things create the deepest change. You don't have to force your body to let go. You just have to give it space and a reason to feel safe again. Try one of these exercises tonight or tomorrow morning, not as a task, but as a kindness. You might be surprised at how quickly your body responds, not with resistance but with relief. That sigh after a long breath, that small shift in your shoulders, that quiet moment where your thoughts slow down. That's your nervous system saying, thank you. And if all you do today is lie down and breathe, that's enough. You're still doing the work, quietly, gently, wisely. I'm Cole, and I want you to know, strength isn't just about pushing through. Sometimes it's about choosing softness, choosing rest, choosing to return to yourself. You're not alone in this. Come back to this video anytime you need it, and if it helped, share it with someone who could use a moment of peace too. See you next time.